Welcome to 526 Grand Preserve Cove, located here in River Strand Golf and Country Club in this wonderful cul-de-sac lot location. As we head inside, you'll notice obviously the 3-car garage, which is awesome for extra storage when you live in Florida. You don't have a basement, so that 3rd car garage sure does come in handy. This is a wonderful little front porch, which is covered, that you could have some fun seating out here. This home is empty. There is no furniture, and so I need you to imagine it is a blank canvas for you to decorate however you desire. It has a great, very neutral paint color, and you'll see that it really lights up this open interior and floor plan. So we have a little coat closet here right when you walk in. And I have added, as you probably saw online, the photos, but I did have it virtually staged just to give you an idea of what exactly this space could be. So living room, dining room, again, with the very nice open entryway to your large kitchen and family room area. But first, over here, we have really the master suite area. And again, some virtual staging of what this area could be, because sometimes it's just a little hard to visualize. So looking right out onto that full water view and the pool and spa. Fantastic. This is a large walk-in closet we have on this side. And then we also have another walk-in closet, or I'm sorry, just a standard closet on the other side. So this is the master bathroom, ensuite bath, separate private water closet, a linen closet, and then a garden bathtub, a shower, and dual vanities, which is really great so that everybody can have their own space. All right. This is, as I said, just more of a standard closet. There you go. So back out into this main living area. Nice high ceilings. And let's go to one of the main awesome features of this house, and that, of course, is the view. As you look out here, fantastic. You look out, you've got your pool, you've got your spa, you've got a nice covered lanai area here so that you could have seating for guests, lounging as well as dining, and just take that in. How great is that? This is why you come to Florida and why I live in Florida, for views like this. And then this lanai is extended all the way over as well. So you've got sliders. This is the family room, which we'll go through in just a little bit. That's your master bedroom. And then that is the door we came in through the living room, dining room. So heading back inside, we do have a ceramic tile. And we'll head into the kitchen area. Huge kitchen, great island area. We've got stainless steel appliances. Everything is original, working fine, but this is a refrigerator was replaced in 2020, and the air conditioner for the home was replaced in 2022. So you've got your little eating area here with a fantastic view, looking outside, and plenty of space for your family room as well. And again, here's a little peek at virtual staging idea. Granite countertops and wood cabinets. Heading back here just real quickly, this is a 4th bedroom and a separate pool bath or guest bathroom. So you do have here this door for heading out to your pool. Your guests can come in here if they need to use the facilities, take a shower, and then you have a great secondary bedroom here. So great space for guests, for them to kind of have their own little private nook here. And then as we head back into the kitchen area, if we go over here, We have the laundry room, which I will show you in just a bit, which heads out to the garage. So washer, dryer, cabinets for storage, the garage door. And then we have 2 bedrooms here, secondary bedrooms, and a bathroom as well. So plenty of space here, 4 bedroom, 3 bath. This room doesn't have a shower, it has a tub. And then the last bedroom. So again, I know it's kind of hard to envision because these rooms are empty, but as I said, you can look upon it as a wonderful and beautiful blank canvas to do whatever you want with it. And the colors are neutral. The view is beautiful. Here's that final virtual staging ideas in that kitchen area, just for fun. So come one, come all. Call me if you have any questions or have your realtor set up a showing at 526 Grand Preserve Cove. This does have a golf deeded membership in River Strand Golf and Country Club. So it's got everything that you would want. Thanks for watching.